Here are the key features of the pole mounting system, TP/GPS by 𝐊𝐞𝐲 𝐋𝐢𝐧𝐤𝐬 technology. The system is designed for seasonal adjustability, which can be done by a single worker, allowing to prepare for seasonal shifts of the sun and decrease shading influence quickly and trouble-free to gain all the efficiency and power production without the added expense of solar tracks. This product is ideal for installation situations where little space is available, and it works perfectly well both with small-scale residential and large commercial arrays. The system conveniently fits a variety of module sizes and types, including framed and unframed modules in portrait or landscape orientation. Adjustable tilt legs with an angle of up to 60 degrees allows you to be flexible on the installation site and during the system's operation. Systems components are made from heavy-duty anodized Al6005 aluminium, Q235 carbon structural steel and SS304 stainless steel, providing excellent resistance to corrosion and rust. High-quality materials and well-thought-out design ensure systems' durability and safety of installed modules. It can withstand strong winds of up to 60 meters per second and a snow load of up to 150 centimeters. Installation is quick and simple. The main pole is securely fixed into the concrete foundation by bolts, then modules are installed on supporting frames. This product conforms to Australian AS/NZS 1170, European DIN 1055 and other industry standards. Confident in the quality of our systems, we offer 15 years warranty. We are a professional manufacturer of all kinds of solar mounting solutions with more than 20 years experience. We process systems materials in-house with our own aluminium alloy production and steel processing lines, allowing us to guarantee the highest quality of our products. Our 14,000 square metre factory with more than 300 megawatts annual capacity is situated in Xiamen City, Fujian Province in China. You can fly to Xiamen Airport, Fujian directly, and all our clients from home or abroad are warmly welcome, and we can offer factory inspection services at any time. We can also offer you product samples according to your inquiry. Conveniently, we have multiple warehouses around the world, including India, Germany, Australia and other countries. We can guarantee you will be satisfied with our products. Putting quality first, we want to manufacture the best solar mounting solutions for our customers.